Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to another episode of SK Half Time. And in this third episode of the series, we're gonna continue on the different types of hair loss. So the next types of hair loss that we're gonna go through is first one is gonna be trauma. So what we mentioned before, we gotta, the hair is like a tree. We gotta take care of it to make sure the quality that the growth is really good. So if we're constantly putting different types of chemicals on the hair like bleach, hair dye, all those things can affect how the hair grows and the quality that grows as well, and may even damage the hair follicles, so you can get complete hair loss with it as well. And also another thing is constant use of heat as well. So like when you constantly go to the hairdresser, they're using hair straightening, blowing hair dryer, all those things, all those heat can damage the hair as well. Another thing is constantly putting tension on the hair. So like pulling the hair, brushing the hair too rough, plucking any hair as well. All those things can affect the hair follicle and the quality of the hair that grows. So all that can lead to hair loss if you're not careful. Doing it once or twice may be okay, but if you're doing for a long term every day, constantly brushing your hair roughly, that will lead to hair loss. Other things that can cause hair loss is medications. Certain medications can cause hair loss as well. If you're starting on a new medication and you find that a couple of months later you're getting hair loss, come to us and then we'll go through whether that medication can increase hair loss or not. Cancer treatment can cause hair loss too, because chemotherapy or radiation, they target all cells in the body, not just the cancer cell, but cells, the hair follicles as well. So that can cause a complete hair loss. Other medical conditions can cause hair loss too. So cancer, like we mentioned before, thyroid problems, any stress, anxiety that we mentioned in the previous episode, and also pregnancy. So due to the increase and decrease of certain hormones in your body, that can affect your hair as well. So yeah, that is some of the other causes of hair loss. Another thing I forgot to mention is also different types of shampoo that you may be using. So certain shampoo, it can increase this pH of your scalp, and when you increase the pH, it's make it more alkaline. So that is a really good environment for fungus to grow, and when fungus grows, it affects how your hair grows as well, and also can lead to other problems like fungal infection, dandruff, and so on. So that's another cause of hair loss. And also if we are showering at night time and we're keeping our hair wet and then it's going straight to sleep as well, that our hair stays moist, and that's a very good environment for fungus to grow. So that is not good, especially for the quality of hair that's growing. We want our scalp to be nice and clean. So minimizing going to sleep with a wet hair, so that is another good way to reduce your hair loss and also increase the quality of your hair. So yeah, stay tuned for the next episode. We will continue on to cover a few more different type of hair loss, what can cause the hair loss as well, and then we'll go on to different type of treatment and how you can take care of your hair as well. Thank you.
SK Media.